What's the meaning of co-authorship? Co-authorship. Co-authorship.
Co-authorship. Co-authorship. Co-authorship refers to the practice of two or more individuals collaborating on a piece of work and sharing authorship credit for it. This commonly occurs in academic and scientific research, where multiple researchers may contribute to a study and be listed as co-authors on the resulting publication. Co-authorship is a way to acknowledge collaboration and recognize the contributions of each individual involved. It also helps to ensure that credit is given appropriately and prevents any one individual from taking sole credit for a collaborative effort.